Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this Volkswagen approved used Tiguan R-Line. This model is a 2.0 TDI DSG 200 PS 4Motion drive finished in a pure white paint, which is an additional feature on this vehicle. It does come with your 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So today I will be giving you a 360 degree walk around both the car's exterior and interior, and then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So firstly, starting at the front, a great benefit includes your rain sensors for added ease for the driver. And then taking you around, this Tiguan has been complemented by these 20-inch Mazzano black diamond turn surface alloy wheels, creating a sporty finish. Moving up, we do have your body coloured door mirrors. And we've also got your black fitted roof rails, which are great for carrying outdoor equipment. These also tie in nicely with your rear privacy glass. So this does not only help to regulate the car's temperature, it will also offer extra privacy and security for the rear. Next, taking you inside the interior, we have your Viennea leather, which is an additional feature. Got the contrast stitching running through the seats. We have your mats in both the front and back. And as expected from a Tiguan, we have so much space available. Your rear passengers also have access to climate controls to keep a full car comfortable. Next, taking you around to the back, another added benefit includes your rear parking camera, which is an additional feature. This will support you with tight manoeuvres and help you to park up. And then taking a glance inside this impressive boot space, we have more than enough room to easily fit in multiple suitcases as well as a pram and your successful shopping trips. Another great additional option includes your trailer manoeuvring system. And then take a glance inside the front interior, so we are presented with your multi-function steering wheel. Then this is followed by your R-Line embossed front heated seats. This will keep you and your front passenger nice and cosy in the colder months. And then we do have electric adjustments available to help you find the most comfortable and safe position, as well as your memory feature. And then we also have your panoramic sunroof as another additional option, which will really enhance your experience. That does conclude the first part of the video. So in the second part, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside the car, we have your multiple electric mirror window adjustments in the driver's door, as well as your central locking. Another added benefit includes your automatic lights, ensuring they're always on at the correct times. And then moving on to your digital cockpit. So here we can find your key driver information and settings. This is designed to enhance your experience. And then moving on to your multi-function steering wheel. So this features your touch sensitive controls. This is also heated. So on the left, we have your adaptive cruise control, which is the perfect addition for motorway driving. And then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customize your digital cockpit. Moving on to your infotainment system. So here we can access the car's different functions. So I'll just go through some of the options that are available. So firstly, as a standard feature, we do have your DAB and FM radio. You can save your favorite stations to your preset lists. And then going into media, so we do also have your Bluetooth audio. So you can pair your phone to the car to listen to your own music. Or you can also use the Bluetooth to make hands-free calls whilst on the go. This is great if you have a busy working lifestyle. Another added benefit does include your app connection, so you're able to display your phone apps through the car, such as your music, maps, contacts and messages. And then we do also have your satellite navigation, so this can also be displayed on your digital cockpit. This will help you when planning your routes, as well as providing you with the quickest ones. Another great feature does include your driving profile selection, which offers you 4 preset options, which is your eco, normal, sport and individual, so you can choose your driving style. When popping the car into reverse, this is how your rear parking camera will appear on the screen. So I did mention earlier, you do have this to support you with parking, as well as the support from your front and rear parking sensors, as well as your park assist system. And then we also have your climate controls available, so you can also access this via the screen. So this is an easy reach by both yourself and your front passenger. It offers you both your own individual airflow. And then we do also have a 3-point front heated seating. And then moving down, we do have your wireless phone charging function, which is another great additional feature. We've got 2 USB ports to charge media devices. We have your keyless start. This car's automatic. We have an electronic park brake with auto hold for added ease. Some hidden cup holder storage, as well as some additional storage space underneath the armrest. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Tiguan R-Line, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.